two words for you: diaper rash. Come on, let's talk about it. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From the infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Welcome back, everybody. Today's video is about diaper rash. If you watched my benefits of cloth diapering video, you know that many cloth diapering babies avoid diaper rashes altogether. However, for some, it's inevitable. Even in my own little crew, my son never had a diaper rash, but my daughter had a few of them. Poor little second baby. We're going to share some common causes of diaper rash in cloth diapered babies and how you can traverse through it. The first common cause of diaper rash is diaper change frequency. Smaller babies, especially newborns, go through about 10 to 12 diapers in a day. And that's a change rate of changing them every 2 to 2.5 hours around the clock. That's a lot of diapers, y'all. This is pretty consistent for a long period of time. I remember when my son went to daycare when he was about 15 months, they changed him about every 4 hours, but he was a bigger baby, getting more control of his bladder, all of those factors taken into consideration that fit at that time. However, urine and poop left on the skin for a long period of time can definitely irritate baby's skin. We shouldn't leave a baby sitting in urine longer than 2 hours, and we definitely need to change poop diapers as soon as they occur. Diaper change frequency is something that you might want to outline and set the expectation for with your caregivers. I had a babysitter for my daughter who loved her dearly, but she mistook the absorbency of cloth diapers for her not being wet. And over a period of several months, we ended up having to let her go because baby was sitting in her diaper too long. This is something you might want to be clear and very vocal about and set the expectations so you and your caregiver are on the same page about how often you change a cloth diaper. The second common cause of diaper rashes is yeast. Yeast is a common culprit in recurring diaper rashes. WebMD, yes, we're going there. WebMD describes yeast rashes as bright, beefy red colored raised bumps that occur in warm, moist places. Now look, y'all, if you see a rash like this and it stays longer than 72 hours and isn't going away with like over-the-counter ointments and stuff like that, call your pediatrician. Just do it. Yeast rashes are often treated with antifungal and antibiotic ointments. Y'all, my poor little second baby, she had a yeast rash and I was able to get her into the pediatrician via online chat portal. So we didn't actually go to the doctor for this, but I sent her pictures of the rash, and through that conversation, she diagnosed that we had a yeast rash going on. She prescribed an antibiotic ointment that I mixed with a little concoction that she told me about, and I used that every time I saw the rash flare up. Now, if your baby ends up with a yeast rash, please do not shy away from cloth diapers at this point in time. All you need, you've seen me use these before, are your bamboo liners that come in handy for poops or for any time that you need to put ointment on a baby. So what you would do is just peel off one of these, put this as a liner in your diaper, and use the ointment as prescribed by your doctor. Ointment will not penetrate a liner. Using a liner keeps your diaper safe and gives you peace of mind while you're treating this pesky rash. The third common cause for diaper rash in cloth diapering babies is an ill-fitting diaper. Now this goes two ways. Either your diaper can be on too tight or it can be on too loose. Rubbing in a wet area over time can become very uncomfortable. Skin in the diaper area is already very sensitive, so we want to make sure that we're not creating friction while baby is running around exploring on the floor. So the solution for this is easy. What we want to do is make sure that the diaper is on properly. In the front, you want to make sure that you can leave your 3-finger space in the front. So if you can do that, you know it's tight enough. You also want to make sure that it's secure around the thighs and up the back. There's no sagging. So if you can stick your fingers in the front, the thighs and leg gussets look secure, and it's properly placed around the back and onto the tummy, you know you have a good fit. And this is another place where you might want to make sure you have a good conversation with your caregiver and make sure they know how to put on your baby's diaper. A lot of times for us moms, caregivers spend more time with our babies during the day than we do. So we want to make sure that they're also doing it right so baby gets a good, comfortable fit in their diaper all day long, no matter who's caring for them. The fourth and final reason for common diaper rashes is allergic reactions. Baby can be irritated by several components or chemicals in the items that frequently contact their skin, like baby wipes, various fabrics, laundry detergent, and ammonia. My daughter's skin is super sensitive, so chemicals and other synthetic materials may make your baby's skin feel sad too. If it does, you might want to consider using cloth wipes instead of the traditional baby wipes that we've all come to know. If that's too extreme for you, there are baby wipes that have nothing in them except water. Maybe that's a better fit. Similarly, if synthetic materials in baby wipes irritate your child's skin, you might also want to steer clear of cloth diapers that use synthetic materials. So opt for a diaper that uses natural fibers instead. Our wash routines can also play a part in things that irritate baby's skin, and can take time to find a detergent that your diapers really like and your baby likes. The solution can be as simple as changing brands of detergent, or a free and clear alternative might be the direction you need to go for your wash routine. Speaking of washing, sometimes ammonia and bacteria can build up in your diapers if you let them sit too long, or if your wash routine is insufficient. You want to make sure that you are washing your diapers regularly, using the correct amount of detergent, washing them at a temperature that's high, and allowing for an extra rinse to make sure the diapers rinse clean after they've gone through that process. And y'all, for good measure, just throw a little bleach in there every now and then and get them real sanitized, and you'll be good to go. The takeaway in this video is to be honest and clear about diaper rash. One of my babies had diaper rashes, the other one never had them. The fact that some babies never have diaper rash is a testimony in itself and a huge benefit of cloth diapering. But it does exist, and we acknowledge that. So hopefully the content I've shared today about the 4 common causes of diaper rash in cloth diapering babies will help you out along the way and give you some tools to navigate it if you ever encounter it. Did your little cloth cutie have a diaper rash? Did you handle it differently from the methods that I've described in here? Maybe another mom can glean from your experience, so drop it in the comments below. Please subscribe to the channel and make sure you click the bell so you'll know when I upload a new video every Thursday. And while we're at it, go ahead and head on over to clothcuties.com and check out the blog and all the content that we've put there to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Bye, y'all.